Most people don't realize that Memphis is one of the top 2 medical device centers in the United States. We have Medtronic, we have Stryker, we have Smith& Nephew, we have Microport, St. Jude is here, we have great hospital systems. It only makes sense that we have a program that supports these great founders and the great talent that's within the city. ZeroTo510 is a medical device accelerator. In fact, it was one of the original medical device accelerators in the country and consistently ranks in the top 10 nationally.
So we're developing a device to help with the needle sticking process during hemodialysis treatment.
Object Technologies, we're an early-stage medical device and digital health company that is dedicated to improving post-operative complications after surgery, starting with blood clot.
At Corami, we're developing a targeted cardiac drug delivery device so that we can fundamentally change how the heart is treated and save millions of lives.
You can have a software app that comes out in just a couple of months, but for a medical device, you're talking 8 to 10 years. And there's so many steps, there's so much money, there's a lot of hurdles. And to navigate that more efficiently and more succinctly, that's what an accelerator does, and that's how we can help. So the way that we have it set up is we take them through the business planning, sort of the market access, there's regulatory aspects, there's clinical, there's quality, we both go through product design, verification, validation, reimbursement, clinical studies. We try to give the whole spectrum because it's a very intense program. The program itself is 13 weeks.
ZeroTo510 is excellent at asking the questions to founders and inventors that they don't know how to ask to themselves so that they can help you set the course.
Well, not only do they have either the technical or regulatory expertise, but they also have the expertise in working with small startups as well. So they understand what we need at the different stages that we're moving through. Part of it, I think, is just really fast forwarding through understanding what the business of healthcare means and what it is. And it varies from region to region.
And so I feel like we really started out from square zero and have gotten so much of a network from ZeroTo510 that we didn't have before, and gotten so many resources and just like people around us to encourage us and direction on things, and good mentors, and connected with other founders that have been through these things before.
I don't even think that the region realizes what kind of talent we have here. There's great talent, there's great technology, there's great innovation, and it's a lower cost of living. So if you want to start a company and you want to start a medical device, this would be the place to do it. Both in a community and from a healthcare perspective, you are saving people's lives, you're changing their health trajectory. It's a worthwhile endeavor, and I can't think of anything better.